Hello folks, I'm Eric Goettl, back with another episode of Goettl Homeowner Tips. Thinking about selling your home? I have some invaluable pointers to ensure you get the most from your home. First things first, replace your HVAC filters regularly. It not only keeps the air clean, but also tells potential buyers that your HVAC system runs efficiently. Clean filters are a sign of a well-maintained home. And don't forget about your ductwork. Consider cleaning it professionally to eliminate dust and allergens, making your home more appealing to potential buyers. Before listing, schedule an HVAC maintenance. A well-serviced system gives buyers a peace of mind, knowing they won't have to deal with costly repairs. Inspect your vents for any blockages or damages. You can also take this time to wipe down your vents, remove any built-up dust and debris. Proper airflow is essential for an efficient HVAC system. Now let's talk curb appeal. A well-maintained home exterior welcomes buyers in. Trim those bushes. Add some fresh mulch to that lawn to make it look its best. Add a fresh coat of paint to the front door can do wonders. Remember, first impressions matter. By keeping up with your filter maintenance, HVAC ductwork, your home's curb appeal, you'll be well on your way to selling your home for top dollar.